Hello, my beautiful viewers. I had shared on the community tab about a house in Asembo that I want to go and see its progress. I want to leave Jose with some errands to run while I am away. I've cleared everything with Jose. Jose's clearing this place. I want to leave to go to Asembo and go and film the house that I'd told you I'm going to do it again. Okay, let's go to Asembo. Jose is going to be here until evening, so I've just prepared something for him. I will leave it here on the table for him so that whenever he's resting or he's tired, he'll be able to eat something. Jose, ukichoka, kila kitu iko hapo. I'm already prepared to leave to go to Asembo. I'm going to take my matatu up to Kisian. Oh, I'd forgotten something. I am now in my destination. This is where I was coming to. This village is in Asembo. Asembo is in Siaya County in the Gulf of Lake Victoria, Kenya. I can see some progress even at the gate, especially the flowers that are planted just beside the gate. I was here 3 months ago and all this was not there. It's quite nice. I want us to go in and also see the house and see also the compound, how it looks like. This is the compound and that is the house. I can also see something new somewhere there, a gazebo. Okay, let us just go slowly and get near to the door and see what is happening around this place. When I was here 3 months ago, he had not placed the gazebo. And I can see these are the new changes and progress around this area. I was so much impressed to see how tables and chairs are made out of car tires. And they were telling me, don't waste anything. We just want to see how it looks like. Let us see the roof on the inside part. This is how the roof looks like on the inside part. I was seated at the gazebo. When I arrived, it was a bit hot, and I decided to cool myself down before I go to the house and see how the house looks like. It's such a cool place and very refreshing. Today it seems that there's no rain and it was a bit hot. When I got into the house, I saw some changes. The entertainment area has been painted yellow. Then I got to the dining area and everything has changed. He has also painted the house now. I wanted to go and check the kitchen and see how the kitchen also looks like. It's quite a nice kitchen. The shelves are there, the tiles are there, the ceilings are placed. Let us now start to see how the whole house looks like in the interior. We will start with the veranda or the porch. This is the entrance. And today we can see the veranda is painted orange. We will just get inside and see how it's painted. From the veranda, let us now get into the house and see the interior. This is the front door. Before I do that, I want to let you know that this house is for one of my subscribers who invited me to come and film his house. This is the sitting room. It has an open area to the dining. The entertainment area now is painted yellow. You can get in touch with him on Facebook, Roy Interiors Kenya, and Instagram, Roy Interiors Kenya. The sitting room has a window. The paint has now been done. It's cream in color, and that's the door getting into the sitting room. Then this is the gypsum. It's the ceiling in the sitting room. Let us now get to the kitchen and also see the surface of the kitchen. That's the door going to the veranda on the back side. And this is how the kitchen looks like. And we can see the shelves are already placed. There are 2 windows. I didn't see a sink. I don't know whether he is going to place a sink later on. These are the shelves. The tiles on the walls are done. Electricity is also around. And we can also see the tiles on the floor. that is inside the kitchen. Then there is this space that divides the kitchen and the dining area. It's halfway done. Then this is the back side. On the kitchen side, the back porch. The back porch is not completely done. These are the few things that are remaining now, like the ceiling, and the floor is also not done, the tiles on the back porch. These are a few things that is remaining with now. And let us get back now to the house. Then we get to the bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. And I can see there are changes also. When I was here, he had not done the tiles on the floor on the master bedroom, and the ceiling was not also done, but I can see some boards down here which is going to do the ceiling. So this is also a few things that are remaining, but the toilet and the bathroom area is done. He has already placed tiles inside. This is the master en suite inside the master bedroom. It's going to be a toilet and a bathroom together. We are now getting to the other wing where there are 2 bedrooms for the kids. The sizes are the same. Most of the things in this house has been done. What is remaining is maybe placing the toilet seats, the hand washing basins, and a few touches here and there. This is one of the kids' bedrooms, and we will just go around and see how this other wing looks like. the exterior part of the house, and this is the front side. There is work going on around this place. There is a welder who is making a stand which is going to be mounted on top of this existing tank. They've already dug holes, and tanks in the rural areas are very important because they collect rainwater during rainy season. This is now the back side of the house, the porch on the kitchen side when you are at the back. And then as we move on, you can see that is the kitchen now. As we move on, we will get to the other side, and that is a pit latrine. This is still the back side of the porch. And let us see how it looks like. Thank you, my beautiful viewers, for being with me. Thank you for watching, and let us meet on my next.